Yes, now we shall discuss the fourth question in the exercise. So, see the fourth question. You observe that class interval. So, 118 to 126, first class interval. Then next they have given 127. So, the given class interval is not continuous. Okay. First, we have to make it in continuous. So, already we solved this type of problem in before exercise. So how to make continuous? We have to add 0.5 to the upper limit and we have to subtract 0.5 to the lower limit. It will become continuous. Okay. So we have to find what here? Median length of the leaves. So lengths of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeters. Okay. And the data obtained is represented in the following table. We have to find the median length of the leaves. So directly I will take CI from the data. So I have to make it in continuous. Here they given 118 to 126. To make continuous, subtract 0.5 to the lower limit, add 0.5 to the upper limit. So 118 become 117.5 to 126.5. This is the first class interval. Then 126.5 to 135.5. 135.5 to 144.5. 144.5 to 153.5. 153.5 to 162.5. 162.5 to 171.5. 171.5 to 180.5. Okay. Then number of leaves, frequency they have given. Number of leaves, frequency, Fi it is 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2. Okay. Now we have to find the median. Median for this data we have to find. To find median, I need one more column, that is CF, cumulative frequency. I need CF. Okay. Let us find a CF. So for that one, 5 plus, first term you write as it is. You cannot add this. Add this and this. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. 17, 29. 29, 34. 38. Then this is how much it is? 40. Okay. First we have to find n by 2. Now n by 2 is equals to. So sum of this is what? 40. So it means 40 divided by 2. That is 20 I got. Just greater than n by 2 or equal to n by 2. So 20. See the cumulative frequency. Just greater than that one is what? It is 29. So corresponding class will be the median class. Therefore, median class is equal to median class, that is 144.5 to 153. 144.5 to 153.5. Okay. Next, that is F. Corresponding frequency is 12. Then CF, that is 17. H, difference. So each difference is how much? 126, 135. 9 is there, I think. Okay, 9 difference is there. You can take 10 also, no problem at all. Okay, difference, each difference is 9. I will take it as 9 only. Next, write the formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. L value, that is 144.5 plus n by 2 20 minus CF 17 divided by 20 F value is here 12 into 9. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. 144.5 plus 20 minus 17, that is 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 divided by 4 to 144.5 plus 9 by 4. 4 2s are 8 point. It will become 10. 4 2s are 8. Remaining 2, 20, it will become 20. 4 5s are, okay, 2.25 it is. So this is equal to 146.5 plus 2, 75. Okay. Now conclusion. What I can write? Median length of leaves. It is in mm, millimeter they are given. Therefore, the median length of leaves is equal to 146.75 millimeter. 146.75. Next, fifth question. The following table gives the distribution of the lifetime of 400 neon lamps. So lifetime of lamps they have given. Find the median lifetime of a lamp. Median lifetime you have to find. Okay, so this is CI. In hours they have given. Lifetime it is. To find the median, I need what? CF. First 14 you write as it is. 14 plus 56. That is what? 70. 70, 130. 130, this is how much it is? 216. Am I right? 216. Then 290. 290. This is 352. Then this is 400. Okay, I must get 400 because they said 400 lamps. To find the median, I need n by 2. Here n is nothing but sum of this lamp. They are given it as what? 400. 400 divided by 2, that is 200. Just greater than n by 2. CF you see, that is 216 only. Just greater than or equal to n by 2. 216. Therefore, the median class will be 3000 to 3500 hours. Then now L is equal to 3000, F is equal to 86, CF will be 130. Now H I can take here is what? 500. Difference is 500. Write the formula. Median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus EF divided by F into H. Now this is equal to L 3000 plus n by 2 200 minus CF 130 F 86 into H. How much it is? 500. Now this is equal to 3000 plus this is how much it is? 270. 70 into 500. 7 5s are 35. 000. Okay, because 70 1 0 and 2 zeros divided by 86. Now I can divide 350 by 86. 350, 86, 8 4s are 32. We check it. 86 into 4. 24, 34. Okay, 344 will be there. So it will become 3000 plus 4. Out of 350, 344 remains is how much it is? 6. Now we can take remaining how many zeros? 600. Alright, 600. Now 86. 600 means 0. So because I have taken 2 zeros, 86 divide this by 86. For that one I can take 86 into 6 are 48, 5 are 40, 48, 8 8 are 64, 56. Check it by 7. 7 6 are 42. 6 not 2. I can take it as what? 6. So here 86 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 51. 5 16. Remains is how much? 600 of 16 means 84 it is. It will become 840. Point. 840. 840 means 8 8 are 64, 8 9 are 72. Can you check it by 9 are? 86 9 are 54, 34 it is. 54 only. 9 6 are 54. 72 plus 5, 77. So it is how much? 9 are. So this is equal to 3406.9. So hours it is. Okay, what is this? This is a median lifetime of lambs. So therefore, conclusion I'll write. The median lifetime of lambs is that is 3406.9 hours, because they are given in hours here.